Rubber hunting boots are a type of footwear specifically designed for use in hunting and outdoor activities. They are usually made of rubber or a similar waterproof material, and they have a tough, non-slip sole for good traction on various terrain. Rubber hunting boots may also have additional features such as insulation or support for the ankles to provide additional protection and comfort for the wearer. These boots are designed to be lightweight and flexible, yet sturdy and long-lasting. And they are often worn by hunters and other outdoor enthusiasts to keep their feet dry and comfortable while participating in their activities.
Simplicity and complexity. Inside of this classic rubber boot silhouette is cutting-edge technology that will bolster performance and enhance comfort in the most challenging of conditions. The Infiniti FD Flex Drive Anti-Fatigue Energy Return System absorbs shock while propelling you forward. A NASA-inspired solar core lining added to the toe cap and bottom of the boot has been tested to retain 50% more heat to provide cold-crushing insulation and minimal bulk. The body of the FD rubber boot is constructed from a scent-free rubber. With zero break-in, the Infiniti FD rubber boot gives you infinite mobility and protection from the elements for limitless pursuit. Available in mossy oak breakup country in both 800 and 1600 grams of insulation, and Realtree Edge in 800 grams of insulation.
If you're looking to keep your feet warmer longer during your life's pursuits,
Rubber hunting boot game by shell of the Arrowhead Sport wraps the entire foot, creating a thick layer underfoot, and it's where most of the comfort is delivered. It provides incredible cushioning, shock absorption, and insulation, and it won't compress over time. Take a look at this outsole. This is premium grade rubber. During the injection process, it's joined to the polyurethane shell. Once cured, an inseparable bond is created, much like you and your love of hunting. And the molded kick-off heel plate helps you kick them off hands-free. The tread design not only offers sure-footedness, but it's also a non-loading tread, so it won't pile up with mud and debris. An oversized polypropylene shank is what supports both this rugged boot and you. It covers the entire arch area for added support and protection, making it ideal for climbing into the tree stand and walking in rough terrain. It also extends around the heel for further support, but is open in the center to deliver cushioning with each step. This neoprene core is a great insulator and is also waterproof, two pretty important qualities for an all-weather boot. An additional layer of brush-tough material makes it abrasion resistant for added durability. It wraps the foot and calf in flexible comfort and easily folds down when the temperature rises. And of course, the lacrosse signature gusset makes the Arrowhead Sport a perfect fit, no matter how big or small your calf muscles are, even providing plenty of room to tuck in your pants. That's the Arrowhead Sport. Heavyweight
technology since the
neoprene hunting boot, available with and without Thinsulate Ultra insulation. They've been trusted by sportsmen and women for durable scent-free protection and comfort for over a decade. The Alpha Burley Pro is formed of premium natural rubber hand-laid over 3.5 millimeters of insulating neoprene. That makes it flexible, waterproof, scent-free, and overall really comfortable and durable. What it won't do is crack in the cold or get soft in the heat. What it will do, make you wonder if you're worthy of such a boot. We've added 3 layers of rubber in the toe and the heel. That's more durability for 2 of the most high-stressed areas of a hunting boot. Because the top of your boot is constantly flexing when you walk, for more durability, we've added 2 layers of premium rubber to the top of its flexible neoprene. Our Active Fit design features a more athletic and glove-like feel in a boot. Its neoprene core adds foot-hugging cushion all around, as well as added flexibility to slide the boot on and off more easily. The Alpha Burley Pro uses 2 different outsoles, while the insulated boot's tread is designed for colder weather to provide stable footing specific to ice and snow. Both designs provide excellent traction and are self-cleaning, so you can take on the outdoors without taking pounds of it with you. On top of our naturally insulated neoprene, the insulated Alpha Burley Pro has a layer of Thinsulate Ultra insulation around the foot for added warmth without the bulk. This moisture-wicking, quick-drying embossed neoprene liner creates better air circulation to regulate the temperature inside the boot. That way your feet never get too hot and sweaty or too cold and stiff. Our signature gusset brings best-in-class versatility with a flip of a clip. Feeling too warm? Loosen the gusset and roll the boot down. Have smaller calves? Cinch it tighter for a more secure fit. Larger calves or tucking in pants? Loosen and clip it. That's the Alpha Burley Pro, available in both men's and women's styles.
Arrowhead Sport Pro rubber boot in Venator camo is a great addition to a tradition of quality hunting boots. Built with features like an aggressive multi-directional rubber cup outsole, a vulcanized rubber foot with added protection over key wear areas, and a 5mm neoprene shaft, and you can see why you'll feel like a pro wearing them. Add to this an open cell PU foam footbed with a memory foam topper, an expansion fit calf for a more universal fit, and of course the benefit of scent concealment throughout, and you've got a true sportsman's boot. Hunting is your sport. Take it on like a pro with the new Arrowhead Sport Pro rubber.
That lives up to your expectations? Our 1530 boot will not be a disappointment. 100% waterproof. This boot, whose lightness is only matched by its comfort, will revolutionize your outdoor outings, providing protection up to -70°C. It remains flexible even when the temperature drops to its lowest, whether on an icy surface or in a highly humid location. The 1530, equipped with a self-cleaning traction outsole, will keep you warm and dry. Its EVA molding combined with a Primaloft 200-gram insulated liner make it a unique and highly efficient product. With its antimicrobial material and resistance to oils and animal waste, this boot offers exceptional versatility. Treat yourself with lightness and reimagined waterproof.